Yeah, there's a better video down this way. That's wild.
It's almost right on top of us now.
Hopefully it'll just stay there. I like lightning. It's still really cool though. It is.
It's
So.
right above us in a second.
The thunder's right after it. They say how long it takes.
Oh, it's right above us now. It's coming right above us. See, you can hear it, hear it?
Whoa, that was cool. Hopefully nobody gets struck by lightning. Everyone out watching it. Oh, that was cool. Looks like it darkened over that way.
Huh?
Looks like it darkened over that way.
It's almost right on top of us now. I'll be surprised if our power don't go out.
Oh, I'd be surprised too, huh? Just like movie Thunder and Lightning.
It is, yeah. It is.
Oh, that was cool. That was fucking cool.
Yeah, it's 3 minutes on my camera, huh? So I got that on video too.
I think I do too, buddy.
Huh?
Whoa. Shit.
I've seen chain lightning that time, though.
Yeah, I've seen it more now.
Yeah, I know, it's almost on top of us this way.
Oh, that's a nice clap. Oh, that was
See that
sick.
one?
We both got that one on camera, Daddy.
Yeah, oh yeah, I've seen that one.
I almost don't feel safe.
It's almost right on us now. I'll say it's gonna start pouring in a second.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh, that was cool. That was fun. I do too.
Feel the rain starting.
Yeah.
Come on, Steven, come out and see it, bud.
Come out and see the chain lightning.
That's alright. It wouldn't be the first time you came out barefoot.
Alright.